Diffusers are a great flameless option for fragrancing your room. In your kit, you'll find everything you need to design your special fragrance. This includes 4 fragrances, your diffuser base, 1 pipette for each fragrance, fragrance strips, measuring cup and stick, your diffuser vessel and cap along with the funnel. You also have your reeds and a label. There's some optional items that you need at home as well. You may choose to use coffee grounds, a pen, and maybe some newspaper to protect your workspace. Okay, so we're going to start by smelling each fragrance, and then you'll insert a pipette in each bottle. Use coffee grounds as needed to reset your smell palette. Then you'll grab your fragrance strips and put a drop of each fragrance on a fragrance strip. Make sure to label your fragrance strips. Now it's time to create your special blend. You will hold different combinations of the strips up to your nose until you find what works for you. Once you've selected your combination, write it down or put those fragrances to the side. You will need 30 milliliters or 1 ounce for this diffuser. Before measuring out the full amount, create a mini blend by taking 1 milliliter of each fragrance. Then you can decide whether you want a 1-to-1 ratio, a 1-to-2 ratio, so on and so forth. Once you determine your ratio, then measure out the full 1 ounce of fragrance oil. Make sure to mix it well. Now that you've designed your signature fragrance, it's time to pour it into your diffuser vessel. Put the funnel into the bottleneck and pour your diffuser base in first. The diffuser base is 3 ounces of liquid. Its purpose is to thin out the fragrance oil and help facilitate it traveling up the porous rattan reeds. Next, you'll pour in your fragrance blend. You can plug the bottle in order to give it a nice shake. When you're ready to use the diffuser, remove the plug and screw on the cap. Then take about 4 to 6 reeds and insert them into the open hole into the fragrance. Adding more reeds emits a stronger smell. Then you can go ahead and attach your label. Your diffuser is now ready to enjoy. Remember to flip your reeds 2 or 3 times a week to prevent the channels in the reeds from clogging. Enjoy your new diffuser.